We've just finished the eye cream step of our Korean skincare routine out here in Korea, and now we're going to move on to our serum step using one of my all-time favorites, the DR.JART Cicapair Serum. As the name implies, the key ingredient in the serum is Cica, which has a calming and soothing effect when applied to your skin, which effectively reduces redness and also helps fight acne breakouts. To use it, we're simply going to unscrew the cap, take out the serum dropper thing, and then we're going to apply half of the squirt to one half of our face, massage it in with our hand, and then apply the remaining half to the other side and do the same thing using the remains on our neck. Feels really nice against the skin, and you get that calming and soothing feeling almost instantly. I'm just gonna put it directly in my palm, then apply the neck. And there you have it. Just like that, we are now done with our serum step, and we're going to move on to an extra hydration step that I like to do. So if you're looking for a great simple serum to add to your skincare routine to help with fighting acne breakouts and redness on your skin, then pick up the DR.JART Cicapair Serum for yourself today, and you're going to be set.